To become a transcriptionist, you need a laptop or a phone, a foot pedal, and a headset, and of course, a strong internet connection. And also, you need to be able to type at least 50 words per minute. But don't worry, if you don't know how to type or you're struggling, there are so many free courses out there to help you perfect your skills. And so many of them you learn while doing the job. Okay, so today I'm going to show you this website that is currently hiring transcriptionists from all over the world. So the good part about being a transcriptionist is that you get to work from the comfort of your home, you get to work from anywhere in the world, you get to choose your own time, you get to choose your own days. It is a freelance job. You're working according to the amount of time and effort you can put in. Okay, and you get paid sometimes weekly, while some of them pay monthly. So this website is called freelancer.com, and so what they do is they recruit people on behalf of agencies or individuals. So people come to this website and they submit applications looking for transcribers, and what you do is come here and place a bid. You can see currently there are about 35 jobs available that were just posted a few hours ago. So as a transcriber, you have to transcribe audio or video files into documents. So for instance, the YouTube captions you see, the subtitles you see on YouTube videos are all done by transcriptionists. So if this is something you're willing to do, if it is something you want to learn how to do, if you want to transition between your 9-to-5 job to something more comfortable, I think you should give this a chance. Check it out. I'm going to leave the link to this website in the description box like I do. So go there, use the link, and come to this website and check them out and see if you can do this. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share the video to people who are in need of transcription job. So the first one here you can see they are looking for is a Vietnam recording project. So they need native Vietnamese speakers, so they will give you the text and you need to record 780 short sentences. You just need to download their software to read their text and record it. So now what you do is you click on that particular job and it brings you here. You can see this one is paying between $5 to $10 per hour, and so these are people that have placed their bid so far. This one is from India. He placed $8, and you can see what they wrote. This one says, "Hello, I am an experienced professional offering comprehensive services in Vietnamese, translation, transcription, and voice artistry." So this is how it's done. You can see all the jobs available. Native Russian speakers needed, transcription of emails into bullet points for legal billings and all. So you come here and you place your bid. So what happens is that if you place your bid and you're selected or you're chosen for the job, you will be given the documents to work on. And so let's say you're doing the job takes you 10 hours to complete, and you bid $10 per hour, and you're being given the job to complete, and it takes you 10 hours. So you can check it 10 times 10 and you know how much it will you're going to make for that one. So there are so many jobs here for you to choose from, and mostly you need to place a bid, and if you win, you'll be given the job. This is how this particular one works. So the second one now is data entry from printed documents, and the poster is currently paying $250 to $750. That is the budget for this particular project, and it was posted 3 hours ago. It will end in six days. So it's currently open. So you get paid on delivery. It's not like a monthly paid thing. Once you complete your job, you get paid immediately. So you can see people that have placed a bid so far. This one is placing a bid for $500, $350. You can see you can even make more than like $5,000 in a month from this website. So like I said, come here, place a bid, and if you win, you'll be chosen for the job, and you do it and you get paid on delivery. This one again is open. It was posted 6 hours ago. These jobs are currently open. They were posted a few hours ago. Okay, so you see this one, they need someone to transcribe an image for them to Word. The image contains typed text only, which includes some special formatting. So you're going to transcribe an image into Word. So these are people that have placed their bid so far, £10. And this one says £10, she will deliver in 5 days. It says, hi, if you're looking for fast delivery and high quality work, I'll be glad to help you. I can transcribe your image to editable Word documents and proper formatting. And this one is placing a bid for £10 and says he will deliver in 40 days. So this is just like Upwork, yeah, where you advertise yourself. But in this case, the people, the owners of the job advertise themselves and you will place a bid. That is how this one works. You can see people placing their bid. These people from all over the world. From Kenya, this is in Nigeria. I said, hello, I'm available to transcribe the image to Word document for you within the shortest time possible with absolute accuracy. And she is bidding £10 per hour, £10, and she'll deliver in 40 days. So it doesn't matter your location. That is the good part about being a transcriptionist. Anywhere you are, from the comfort of your home, you will be making money, right? So come here to this website and register, sign up and find jobs that you like. So this one is urgent. They currently need someone to do this work for them ASAP. It was posted it's remaining 16 hours. I think that's why they really need someone to come on board. And they are paying $33 per hour. That is the average bid. So but it says you must be local to New York City. So they are seeking an in-person certified court reporter for the positions in a civil case. So you can see people from all over the world, jobs from all over the world. So it doesn't matter your location, your country, or your language. Come here, you will surely find jobs that are in your language so that you can transcribe them. This one is Vietnam recording. This one is transcription of team training meetings. And this particular one is a YouTube video transcriber and translator. No experience needed. So the job description entails that you are oriented and quick transcriber and translator. So you need to convert the YouTube video audio in English into text and then translate it into Spanish using translation tools. The ideal candidates must ensure accuracy and consistency of the content at both stages of the process. And they're paying $17. Okay, so this is a very good one. If you can speak other languages, if you're go and sign up right now. This one is Swedish and German. Transcriber, translator needed, and it's paying $50 per hour. So go and sign up right now. Don't waste no time. Sign up ASAP and see if you get the bid and start making money. And then you put an eye on this website because they release jobs every day, every day. You're not going to run out of work to do. So when you come to this website, what you do is you click on Earn Money Freelancing and sign up. You sign up. Okay, I'll just do one for you guys. I'm going to use my Google account to sign up. So when you're signing up, it will prompt you to answer this question. I want to work, I want to hire. So you want to work, you click on it. If you want to receive emails, you want to receive if you're using freelancer for personal use, you can put all you need here and then you sign up. So it says, welcome to freelancer, please wait while we redirect you. So for people saying that I don't show how the registration process works, this is why I'm doing this. So if you come here now, you'll be able to tell them your top skill. If you can do data entry and admin, any type of work you feel you can do, you select a category and finish the sign up process. So they have about, for data entry that I just entered, they have about 478 jobs currently available. Customer support and any type of job that you can do, your skills. So once you're done signing up, you begin to place a bid on those jobs that I showed you guys from the beginning. And once you're hired or once you win the bid, make sure you deliver. Do not take jobs without delivering. Make sure you deliver as at when due. So if you tell them you can deliver within 2 days, make sure you're going to deliver within 2 days. This will boost your profile. Okay, so guys, this is the end of this one, and if you're willing and ready to start working immediately, go and sign up. I'll leave the link in the description box. And before I sign out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to people that may need it. Okay, a lot of people out there are looking for jobs. Share this to them, and don't just watch my videos without subscribing. It's not really nice. Subscribe and leave a comment. For those of you that have signed up, leave a comment to let me know that you have, so that others can know that yes, what I'm doing is good. Thank you so much guys for sticking with me to the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one.